In this video, we'll show you how to fade your image into the background using gradients. First, make sure you have a design open in the Canva workspace. Next, bring an image onto the canvas. You can select an image from Elements in the left side toolbar, Photos in the app's icon, or your Uploads folder, all located on the left side toolbar. Drag your image into the design space. With the image highlighted, click on BG Remover or Edit in the Edit toolbar. If using Edit, the image panel will open. Select Background Remover to remove the background. Resize and center the image. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Share to download the image. Be sure to select Transparent Background before downloading. Once the image is downloaded, drag it into the Uploads folder using the down arrow in the top right corner. Now, place the newly uploaded image onto the canvas. Resize and center it, then bring the sides in close to the actual image for a cleaner look. Click anywhere in the background to bring up the background circle here in the toolbar. Click on the color circle to open the color panel. Here, choose a color for the background from Photo Colors or Default Colors, or add a new color. The color you choose for the background will also be used for the gradient color. Go to the Elements tab on the left side toolbar and type Fade Gradient into the search bar. Once you find the one you want, drag it onto the canvas and resize it as needed. Click on the gradient and change the color by clicking the color circle and choosing the same color as the background color here in the color panel. We will need to make adjustments to the image and duplicating the gradient several times to get the final look. Next, go back to Elements and search for light. We want to place a glow behind the subject's head. Drag it onto the canvas, then go to Position in the Edit toolbar and move it behind the head. You may need to click the plus sign to add multiple layers of light to achieve the desired effect. Make sure to reposition the light backward each time for proper layering. Now we need to drag our original image with the background removed from the Uploads folder. Resize and place the image so that it is centered. There you have it. You have taken a simple image and elevated it by fading the background. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial and would consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.